Are you looking for the best wood stove fans? In this video we will look at some of the best wood stove fans. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Voda 4 Blades Wood Stove Fan. Large size makes it more conspicuous on a wood stove. Powered entirely by heat, Voda's 4-bladed stove fan is durably built, produces excellent airflow, and operates silently, making it one of the best ways to circulate air around your wood stove. It kicks on at temperatures as low as 185 degrees Fahrenheit and can withstand temperatures as high as 660 degrees Fahrenheit. This is one of the larger stove fans out there, and it produces excellent airflow, making it ideal for distributing heat over larger spaces. Heat-powered, no batteries or electricity required. Efficiently circulates warm air throughout the room. Less consumption, more efficiency. Innovative and durable design. Silent operation. Number 2. Tomersun 3 Blades Heat-Powered Wood Stove Fan. 3-blade design doesn't produce as much airflow as 4-blade fans. With this pick, Tomersun offers an economical way to add a fan to your wood stove. As with other pricier stove fans, this one features whisper-quiet operation and is made from durable anodized aluminum. If temperatures exceed 572 degrees Fahrenheit, a built-in safety device automatically elevates the front of the fan to protect the motor from damage. The Tomersun stove fan produces an airflow of between 150 and 170 cfm, which, while less powerful than other stove fans, should be adequate for circulating air through spaces that are 400 square feet or less. Compact size 8.7 x 6.7 by 3.6 inches, the material of the stove fan is aluminum. No batteries or electricity required. The wood burner fan uses heat from the stove surface to spin, adjusting its speed automatically with the stove surface temperature. Longer lifetime. There is a bimetallic safety device at the base of the stove fan. If the surface temperature rises around 300 degrees Celsius, the safety device gently elevates the front of the fan to protect the TEG and motor. Number 3. Ecofan UltrAir Nickel Blade Wood Stove Fan. 2-blade design doesn't produce as much airflow as other wood stove fans. This stove fan uses high-end materials and a novel blade design to circulate warm air. The curved 2-blade design produces up to 125 cfm, which is enough to cover rooms up to 240 square feet. Though the fan isn't as powerful as others, it's more compact, and its 2-blade design puts less strain on the motor, meaning it should last a long time. Shoppers can also choose from gold, black, and nickel blade finishes. Warm your room up to 31% faster with the mid-sized Ecofan model, the Ecofan UltrAir. Ideal for rooms up to 240 square feet, the UltrAir circulates more warm air further into your room. Tested and proven to save you up to 14% in fuel with more efficient distribution of heat from your wood stove. No electricity needed. Ecofans generate power by converting the heat from your wood stove into electricity. Designed and manufactured in Canada for over 20 years, Ecofans have been tested in the harshest winters and come with a 2-year limited warranty. 125 cfm. Number 4. Galafire 4 Blades Heat-Powered Wood Stove Fan. Customers report that the fan is too small to deliver adequate airflow. This small wood stove fan measures just over 7 inches tall, an ideal choice for smaller wood stoves. Its 4-blade design makes it capable of pushing a lot of air. It also starts operating at a low temperature of just 122 degrees Fahrenheit, so it will start circulating air as the stove is. About this item. White heavy checkmark, must have fireplace accessories, premium anodized aluminum heat-powered wood stove fan N429 makes your room warm faster, plus magnetic thermometer monitors stove temperature to avoid overheat. White heavy checkmark, compact design, height only being 19 cm / 7.48 foot to fit narrow spaces, ideal for all kinds of wood-burning stoves, gas stoves, pellet stoves, etc. White heavy checkmark, no running cost, self-starts at temp as low as 50 degrees Celsius, 122 degrees Fahrenheit, no batteries or electricity required. Ideal operation temp is around 482 degrees Fahrenheit per 250 degrees Celsius. If the max temp on your stovetop is even below 212 degrees Fahrenheit per 100 degrees Celsius, our stove fan is not recommended for you. White heavy checkmark, powerful and silent. Warm air is quietly pushed into the room rather than simply rises up to the ceiling or being trapped around the stove. This improves the stove efficiency and maximizes heat distribution throughout the room. Number 5. Valiant Premium 4-Wood Stove Fan. Some customers complain that it's noisier than other wood stove fans. If your stove is located in a larger room, this fan should be powerful enough to distribute the stove's warm air throughout the entire room. With its 4-blade design, it can generate a whopping 420 CFM, significantly more than most other stove fans. It also starts working faster than most with its low starting temperature of 122 degrees Fahrenheit. A built-in protection system prevents the Premium 4's motor from overheating, prolonging its lifespan. Helps to distribute the heat generated by your stove more evenly and quickly around the room, meaning you can enjoy a warmer and more comfortable environment without waiting too long. Reduces the hot and cold spots in your room so you can avoid overheating or underheating certain areas of your room and have a more consistent temperature throughout. Minimizes the stove heat requirement and therefore the fuel cost, allowing you to save money and energy by using less fuel to keep your stove running and also reduce the amount of CO2 emissions into the environment.